Good evening to everybody present here, and all the very best to participants who are going to take part in the competition. Let me first introduce the two judges who are here today. First of all, Bharati Ramesh. She has done her Bachelor of Science in Nutrition from Women's Christian College, major in Food Service Management and Dietetics, and she practiced nutritionist for a year before moving to US to start her master's program. She is now pursuing her MS in Human Nutrition at University of Delaware. She is also having an active professional account. It's Bharati Ramesh _nutritionist. I'll just type the Insta handle account in the chat box. You can go find her on Instagram. She is having amazing nutrition program for everybody there. So please go check out her profile on Instagram. Thank you, Bharati, for joining us. And the second person here is Rachna. Ilangumaran. Sorry if I have pronounced your name wrongly. So she did her undergrad in food science and management from MOP Vaishnav, and then she did her MSc in human nutrition at United Kingdom. She's a freelance nutritionist, and her scope is to practice weight management and PCOS. So thank you so much, young ladies, for joining us today. Before beginning the competition, I just have few things to tell to all the people who are here. So let me introduce what Sai Chronicle basically is, because most of you are new and few of you have already attended the previous sessions. So Sai Chronicle is basically a community organization which was started on August 8th, 2020, so we are very new. The main aim of Sai Chronicle is to bring science to people in a much easier manner. Say, for example, we are going to have a debate today. A debate or a competition is nothing but a healthy discussion between a panel of people or a set of people who are going to bring their own thoughts and points before the community. And also, we are recording this entire competition or this entire session, and that will go into our YouTube channel. You can go have a look at YouTube channel if you have missed any of these here. So this is the basic idea of Sai Chronicle, and we wanted to bring in the fact behind myth. So there are a lot of myths in the community, so we wanted to unravel all the myths and bring the facts to society. This is a short introduction of what Sai Chronicle is, and general instruction to all the people is stay muted when one participant is talking, and to the participants, you will have to switch on your videos when you are talking. So you will have to switch on your videos. So I will switch on my video very shortly. So you also have to switch on your video. So please switch on only when you talk. If you have network buffering, no issues. You can switch it off when you are not talking. Rest of the others, if you can, switch on your video for the entire program. And then each of you will be given only 3 minutes of time. So my team is working on the timer on a PPT. So you can pin that and you can have access to the timer. So the first 1.5 minutes, it's going to be for, this is block and tackle, hope you all know. So I think the participants, rest of the participants have joined. If not, people who are watching can pitch in and you can give a competition to the others who are talking. So block and tackle is nothing but the first 90 minutes or the first 1.5 minutes it's going to be for, and the next 1.5 minutes it's going to be for is against the topic. So you will have a preparatory time of 1 minute where you have to prepare what you're going to talk for and against. So you can have hint, but please avoid looking at it very frequently. So these are all the instructions from our end. So you cannot change topic. Very importantly, you cannot change your topic. The topic which is given to you, you'll be talking on it. So people who are qualifying for finals, so the number of people for finals might vary depending on the participants here who are going to take part. Unfortunately, people who have registered, they have not joined yet. So we'll see. Depending on that, we'll go for finals tomorrow. For and against team will be decided by the panel, that is by the team and judges. And your topic will be revealed tomorrow afternoon. You will have a preparatory time for tomorrow. So I guess I'm clear. So Bharati and Rachna, if you have any general rules for the participants, please go ahead.
Mama, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yeah. Please.
I just wanted to know that the 1 minute that we get for preparation, so how will it work? Like before, you'll be giving the topic and then you'll wait for 1 minute and then you'll allow the speaker to speak, or how does it work?
Exactly. You will know your topic and you will have a minute and then you have to talk. So we will not give you the topic in advance. If it is going to happen, then the other participants will have more time to prepare. So it is going to be even for all the participants. You will get your topic, you will have 1 minute of your preparation, and then you have to present it. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, Bharti and Rachna, do you have anything to
Did you mean, do we have any questions about the process?
Yeah,
Or?
yeah. And also, do you have any rules like your judging criteria? What will you be looking on?
So mainly we'll be looking at how convincing the participants can make the argument, and yeah, how coherent their points are, and whether, yeah, again, whether they're convincing enough.
Okay, all right, okay.
Okay, yeah, good luck
Bharti,
everyone.
okay, okay. All the best, everyone. So,
Good luck to
who-
everybody's effort.
yes, yes, yes. So, who is going to start first? Are you going to volunteer, or do you guys want us to call you by names? Okay, so let us not waste time. So, Abhishek, are you here? Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so are you ready? You will be going first. So I think there is some issue in the timer. So we'll do this. Please, my audio will not be muted. My surroundings is completely 1 minute. Yeah, sorry guys. So I'll not be muted. So you will have to listen to me. So when I say stop, when I say block, you'll go for, and when I say tackle, you'll go against. Okay. Yeah, Abhishek. So we have 15 topics prepared for everybody. Your slot number will be from 1 to 15. So if you could tell a number from 1 to 15, that will be your topic. So Abhishek, are you here?
Apparently, he's left the meeting.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so who's going to go next? Gauri, can you?
Yeah, sure. I can go first. It will be fine.
Cool, cool. Okay, all right. So can I know your number?
You can go with the 3.
3. Okay. So your topic will be traditional and modern sciences.
Sorry, can you please repeat?
Your topic will be traditional and modern sciences. I'll just type it in chat box.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please let me know when my 1 minute starts.
Sure, 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 sure. Okay, Gauri, your 1 minute starts now.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, first I'll be going for block, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
First block and then yeah. So Gauri, your 1 minute is done. Can you start your argument? So no
Yes.
block for now.
All right. Okay.
Can you
Yes.
start?
Yes. So, a very
Go ahead.
warm good evening to everybody present here. I am Gauri, and currently I'm in my third year of BTech in computer science. So, I'll be speaking on the topic traditional and modern sciences, which is indeed a very interesting topic to talk about because we are surrounded by science everywhere, even in our mobile phones that we use, or everywhere we look around our surroundings, we are surrounded by science as it is. But firstly, I'll go for the block movement. That is, I should say that we are not, I mean, we should not support traditional or modern sciences. That is, we have always been driven by the society, by the people that surround us. We've come a long way since 13 billion years ago when this universe started. And not just about a few years ago, we came to know, oh, that we are ourselves made of star stuff. So when we think about this fact, which comes into our mind, that okay, we are currently ruling this entire universe, being the most powerful species on Earth. However, have we really realized that apart from the sciences, we are currently only surviving because of the mere society that we have around us and not sciences? It is proven that an individual, if kept alone for a long time, can face depression and then death. So, I would like to block this statement by saying that science, okay, now moving on to the tackle part of it. Modern and traditional sciences. Firstly, I would take you back to the traditional part where people did not know science as technology. People knew science as a medication, as how we come to heal ourselves and heal people or animals around us. Everything, including astronomy, astrology, that is the study of stars and universe, included sciences. Not only these things, but even the measurement of things, how do we measure things, was a part of sciences. Mathematics is a part of sciences. But now, if we look upon modern sciences, we are moving towards artificial intelligence, we are moving towards higher grade of technology where technology is actually replacing human beings in the first place. So, are we not leaving behind humanity and moving towards technology in the first place? So, I would like to rest my case by saying that, be it traditional or modern sciences, humans have always been witnessing the magic of science, be it in different ways. And even today, we are much dependent on science for our own development. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Gauri. Thank you so much. But you had 10 seconds left, so no issues, no issues. Thank you so much
Okay,
for volunteering.
I did not really have any method to know, so I just stopped. I did not want to exceed the time limit. That's why.
No issues, no issues. So
Thank
yes,
you so
thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you.
So who is going to talk next?
Ma'am, can I go?
Who is this? Yeah, Sudhanshu.
Sudhanshu.
Okay, yeah. Since three, you can tell other numbers. You can leave three and tell the other numbers. It's 1 to 15.
8. I'll go for 8.
8. Okay. So your topic will be biofuels. I'm just typing it on the chat box. Yeah, so you received it, I guess.
Right, ma'am.
Yeah, your minute starts now. Your 1 minute is over. Your minute is over. 1 minute. I'll just ping. Okay, Sudhanshu, can we start? Are you here? Can you hear me? Hello.
Just a second, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Okay. So, yeah. Your 1 minute is done. So your first 90 seconds will be for block, and the next 90 seconds will be for tackle. Before that, I think you can pin another Sai Chronicle screen. The team is ready with the timer on
Which one?
PPT. Another Sai Chronicle. Okay, so Gauri, I'll get back to you again. Since from this person you will have time if you want. I'll talk to the judges and get back to you. You will have another chance with another topic. It is up
So,
to
ma'am,
you. Yeah,
I'll have total of 3 minutes, right?
3 minutes, and I'm just asking you to pin the other screen. So Satish from Sai Chronicle, the presentation is not visible.
Just a second, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be great if you can give me a tap at 1:30 and the final tap at 3. Like, I'm unable to
Okay.
see this. All right?
Okay, then we'll begin until that one settles. So your first 90 seconds for block starts now.
Honorable Speaker, living in this world where there is lots of death due to the air pollution, where we are seeing that how these vehicles are going for the idea of creating pollution, which is very problematic for the entire world. Now, the fact here is that we have to go for something that is come as alternative fuel that will definitely work for reduction of the carbon emission, because we know that how greenhouse gases is one of the serious concerns that not only India but entire globe is facing. So what is the alternative for the same? Obviously, it is the biofuel. When we talk about the biofuel, it is basically a renewable source of energy which basically created from the plants and animals, and it is one of the alternative source of energy that can be used to produce energy. Now, the fact is that why we should go for the same. We should go for the same because of several reasons. First, because of its low cost effectiveness in comparison to the alternate source of energy that we use. Secondly, we can use it for obviously less carbon transmission, because when this happens, obviously that is going to create less carbon emission, and that will be great for the environmental pollution, and it will also work as in favor of the human population, because now we can also breathe some sort of quality air. And thirdly, we need to understand that there are some sort of development of alternative fuels that has to be there, because since population is increasing, we need to work on the alternative fuels. So biofuel can be a good substantive for the same. Now, talking about against of the biofuel, we need to understand that we cannot just replace the current source of energy that basically we work on, that is the petroleum, diesels, other things. We cannot go for the biofuel, because the first thing we need to understand that in context of developing countries like India, it needs a lot of money to create the source, like need a lot of investment for creating this source of energy. Obviously, it is going to be cheaper at later stage, but again, who is going to initiate that much and who is going to invest that much when we have already a lot of things to suffer? Secondly, we need to understand that when it comes to the first, for as a use of fertilizer, it is also not considered as good, because it will create some sort of the low quality of the soil there. So that also not being preferable. And lastly, we need to understand that it will also create the shortage of food, that being in a country like India where most of the people have, like underfed it. So you cannot go for the concept of biofuels where it is very it is very highly cost effective. And secondly, it will create a lot of soil degradation. So we need to understand that we cannot opt for this biofuel as alternative source. we have same source, we can export from the other countries if we have some sort of reduction in the same, but again, we cannot opt for this particular biofuel as the source. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, Sudhanshu. So who's going to go next?
I'll go next.
Yeah, okay, Harshini. Yeah. Is Harshini or Priyanka who's going to go next?
Fine, Priyanka, you can go ahead.
I can come later.
Okay, yeah. So I think you joined a bit delayed. So we have told that there are 15 topics. So topic 8 and topic 3 are done. So you can choose other topics, the other numbers. Rest of the other numbers, that will be your topic.
Should I choose or Priyanka is going to go?
Priyanka is going, I guess. Priyanka, you're going, right?
Okay, ma'am, I can go. Ma'am, I will choose the number 7.
Number 7. Okay. So you have gotten amazing topic, one of my favorite topics. So sustainable lifestyle. Your topic is sustainable lifestyle. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So your 1 minute, your 1 minute preparatory time starts now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So your 1 minute is done. Before Priyanka goes, this is a general instruction to all the participants. 1 minute. Please have a look on the chat box. I think you will have a pop-up coming down in the chat box. So I'm just posting the remaining time left, so you can have access to that. So Priyanka.
Hello?
Priyanka.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, Priyanka, you're audible. Your network is a bit buffering, so if you could switch a stable network, it will be fine.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So your first 90 seconds for block starts now.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Priyanka. I'm pursuing my PhD in Animal Biology at Department of Animal Biology, School of Life Sciences, University of Hyderabad. Thank you, Science Chronicle, for providing such a wonderful topic of sustainable development. So in block, I want to say that it's just a term we have given to our nature just to reduce the utilities. So human has taken the earth in such a state that human has thought that the net living should be up to a luxury position. So human is getting materialized and they are preferring less of sustainable development. So in block, I want to say it's a very protective thought process. It's a process behind the science to protect the nature. It's just for the well-being of human beings only. So sustainable development basically means to protect that natural resources that are present on the earth. It's not like you can't use everything or you can't avail everything. You can access of everything, but up to a certain limit, thinking about the future generation. So human has got into such a stage that it has started using its power, using its materialistic nature, and using its monetary property to access nature. So it's a basic process just to minimize, just to protect our earth. The 3 R we must remind to recycle, reuse, and to reduce. So if we will stick into that, we can develop the concept of sustainable development. So in tackle, I want to say that in a society we are living, we are competing to live like a better life, and we define that better life living in terms of materials, in terms of luxury, and to satisfy that one, we go beyond our necessities. So we are accessing to such things which is not at all necessary for our living beings. So we are getting we are not giving nature, or we are not respecting our mother earth and going beyond it. So I just want to say that previously also humans are no doubt human is evolving in a better way, but we can betterly evolve with providing due respect to the concept of sustainable development. So human has having that superpower of understanding everything. Human has created this earth in a better living way. So if we can conceptualize the sustainable development for a better living and thinking about our future generation, then human can live the life in the best way, providing due respect to the mother earth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. So, Harshini, can you go next?
Yes. I'll go with 7.
I think it was 7 is what she spoke.
Oh, okay. I'll go with 4.
4, okay. So another favorite topic of mine. So it's organic farming. You have to talk about organic farming. So, Harshini, your 1 minute prepared time starts now.
Yes.
Yes, Harshini, your preparatory time is done. Am I audible? I'm unable to see your video. Can you please turn on your video? Yeah, all good.
So a very good evening to all. I'm Harshini Natraj, and today I'm going to talk about block and tackle on the topic organic farming. So especially these days, organic farming has taken a charm. People are ready to give a lot of money and buy organic products. So organic products is by large a good method, an advisable method for people to adopt, because it uses natural fertilizers instead of artificial ones, and things like compost, where natural resources are used instead of importing all the chemical goods by paying a lot of money to them. It is also not hazardous to nature. We use everything that comes from the nature without harming them. So in a way, it also leads to sustainable development. Organic farming is also cost effective, because instead of putting our money on importing, like I said before, instead of putting our money on importing chemical fertilizers and pesticides, we can use that to increase the infrastructure of the farm, to increase the yield without harming the nature. So all right then. So I'll tackle now. So in spite of having a lot of pros, it also has some cons. Like for instance, it's time consuming. A lot of time and effort has to be put in order to get the required yield that we want. Because otherwise, while using chemical pesticides and fertilizers, we get a have a better yield. Distribution would be fast. But in case of organic farming, lot of effort has to be put, but the proportionate yield that we receive would be comparatively less. So the next one is the labor cost. Organic farming, unlike the other, uses a lot of labor capital. A lot of minds and a lot of people has to be working on one specific issue technically in order to get the required result that we want. Also, organic products are a bit costly. So, in spite of people wanting to buy organic products in India, the demand for organic products is a bit less. So people are a bit skeptical about putting in a lot of effort and money, but receiving, but what we get for the effort that we put is comparatively less. Yes, I'd like to conclude by saying that in spite of having in spite of having a lot of cons, it's always better that we look at the pros and
Hear me, Harshini? Harshini?
it's always better
Yeah,
to
your
pros and I'm sorry.
your time is done. Yeah, I had a network issue, I guess. Your time is done. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so it's always better to look at the pros than the cons and go ahead with a sustainable environment. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Yeah. Thank you, Harshini. Thank you. So who's going to go next? Neha? Neha, can you go next? Neha Shukla? Neha, you have registered for speaking, right? Neha, are you here? Okay, so who's going to go next? We have Atarva. Atarva, can you go next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I think you understood how this is working. Yes, so
I would choose 12. 12.
1 minute. I'll just let you know the topic. So your topic will be nature therapy. Your topic is nature therapy.
So that means like using natural products?
So it is you able to participate. The topic is therapy.
I'm not able to hear you. Sorry, there's some network
Your
issue.
preparation. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
I said it's up to you on how you are going to perceive and present it.
Yeah, okay.
So your preparatory 1 minute starts now. Your preparatory time is. I cannot see your video.
Am I visible now?
All right. So your so your first 9 block.
Yeah. So hello everyone. My name is Atharva. I'm a first year BSMS student. So my topic is nature therapy. So what I mean by nature therapy is using natural products for health benefits. Like, say, suppose you use ghee instead of some moisturizer. Of course, there are going to be some side effects of moisturizers that natural products may not have, because natural products are built for using by us, right? So suppose you have some chemical, it may have some synthetic residue which might remain on your skin and it might lead to some rashes. So that is not really beneficial. So instead, if you use natural products like some other sort of plant extract, right? So plant extracts are not going to harm you unless they have toxics. So in that way, using natural products is beneficial. And also, nature therapy can mean just taking a walk in nature. And because when you take walks in nature, or when you're in nature, you feel a kind of a balance, right? There's an ecosystem that is surrounding you, and your mind becomes calm. So that is one way in which staying with nature can help you a lot. There is also another way in which you can actually try to help nature, and so nature can also provide many benefits to you. So that is for nature therapy. And if I'm talking against nature therapy, it is natural products to use can be costly, right? Because the trees in the world are getting limited, and moreover, medicinal trees are very limited. So extracting things from them can be costly, but generic products like some synthetic chemicals, you can easily make them and you can just use them. So of course, they're going to be less costly. Another main thing can be, it might not be available, right? So if you wanted to buy some organic produce, or if you wanted to buy something that was good for you and was naturally available, your shop might not have it because there is going to be less demand for it. And also, we don't know about the effectiveness of natural therapy, right? Of course, it has been proven in ancient times, and we know that there are a lot of manuscripts which are for this, but scientifically, we don't have that much evidence because it has not been in use for a lot of time. So we don't know the effectiveness or how much it can benefit us. So yeah, that was what I wanted to say.
Okay. Thank you so much, Atharva. So, who's going to go next? We have Neha left, Neha, and then Harshri has spoken, Harish, Shweta, and then Abhishek. We have 3 more participants. Who is going to go next? Abhishek, can you go next? I think you are here.
Yes, ma'am, I'll go.
Yeah. Okay. How many minutes are you going to talk?
15th.
Your number is 15. Okay. So your topic, I'm typing it on.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I'm typing it on the chat box. Can you now? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your topic is and human. Your 1 minute preparation. Yes, so Abhishek, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, okay. Can you hear me now? Is my voice clear or is it breaking?
Ma'am, it's clear now.
All right. So your start your 90 seconds for clock begins now.
Hello, everyone. I am Abhishek. I am first year BSMS student. I am speaking on the topic industrial revolution and human survival. We all know what industrial revolution is. It also means it is a measure from human industrial revolution. We could also measure things like urbanization, development, how the GDP of an economy, and many more things. But it has both positive effects as well as negative effects. If we come to positive effects, the positive effects, it leads to development of a country, it brings income to our economy, it's make country a richer. It also most importantly saves time, which is very important. And there are many ill effects of industrial revolution and human survival. Industrial revolution, first of all, it leads to pollution, and nobody cares after setting industries. We should always look after that. Then there are many land disputes going on with locals and among governments and industries, and many more. There are water crises, as we are aware of our Coca-Cola company, and there are many countries like India is one of the great example where industrial revolution didn't take place as mentioned in Shashi Tharoor's book. I would like to end here. Thank you.
Okay. So you have taken just 90 seconds where you have presented both your block and tuple. So Neha, can you go next? Neha Shukla. Are you here, Neha? Neha, can you hear me? Guys, am I audible? Hello?
We can hear you.
Audible. You're audible, yeah.
Why isn't she not responding? Okay. So Harish Shweta. Is Harish Shweta here? Harish Shweta.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Okay. So can you go next?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So I think you are here from the beginning. So you know the numbers which are taken by the participants.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to choose
Number
the number.
three.
Number?
Three.
Three is what the first speaker spoke. Okay, I'll tell you the numbers. 3, 4, 7, 8, and 15 and 12 are done.
8, ma'am.
8 is also done. I think I told 8.
Ma'am,
No,
number
I
is
didn't
8.
tell you. 8 is what biofuels, the second speaker spoke about it.
Ma'am, 14.
Cool, okay. Your topic will be new normal and medications. Your topic is new normal and medications.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it? So your preparatory time limit starts now. Yeah, Harish Shweta, your preparatory time is done. So can you please turn on your camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So can you begin? Your first 90 seconds of block starts now.
Yes, ma'am. I am Harishweta from second BSc Biochemistry, Vivekananda College of Arts and Science for Women, and normal. And okay, let's go. My topic. Um, New normal and medications. It is a new normal in an COVID-19 situation is an it's an example because that COVID-19 situation is that more disadvantages. Then next one, many of people affected and eyes and ears, then etc. is an advantages. It's an a longer contact time and greater storage stability and flexibility in drug choice and improved drug stability. So that disadvantages of then eyelids, it's a sticking of an eyelids, a blurred vision and poor patient complaints and interference with the attachment of new corneal epithelial cells to their normal base, matting of eyelids. It is an disadvantageous. Then it is an and also that we are medication lives is used that gels is an ophthalmical gels are composed that many of the polymers that provide that localized delivery of then active and ingredient to the eyes. So polymers have a property known as that bioatrism is not only an eyes, no many human parts of bodies. Then ophthalmic and also use that ophthalmic drug delivery system. So it is an used for that who affected who affected the people used that this the delivery drug. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Harishweta. So, Neha, are you here? Neha Shukla. Is Neha here? Neha, are you here? Okay.
I think she's
So,
here.
the registered
But
yeah, she's here. I saw her commenting in the beginning. I don't know where she went. She's here in the meeting. She's not responding. I don't know why. Neha is here. Okay, Neha, you have registered. So we're waiting for you. Neha. Okay, so all the registered participants have spoken, I guess. Did I leave anybody?
Ma'am,
Or you
may I
have?
join, ma'am?
Yeah.
But I have
You
denied
want
the
to join?
access. Yes, ma'am. But I have denied the
Yeah,
access
yeah,
to the
yeah.
camera.
Okay, no problem. No problem. I think you are here in the beginning, so you know the topic. So let me know a slot.
Ma'am, voice is breaking, ma'am. Can I once again repeat, ma'am?
Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
One minute, Hema. Neha, you have registered as a participant, right? Neha. Okay. Neha, we don't have feedback link for this, so thank you so much. Yeah. Hema, your number, your slot number for your topic.
11.
Yes. So, yeah. Our topic is scientific I'm typing it out. Scientific
Scientific
patents.
patterns. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, your 1 minute preparatory time starts now. Okay, so Hema, your preparatory time is done. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm Hema
So
from.
your
Sorry.
yeah, start.
I'm
Start.
Hema from. Ma'am.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Hema from Vivekananda College of Arts and Science. I have a debate topic of a scientific patent. The patents are found in all over the world, including all the scientists are getting patent for the crafts, plants, animals, and medicines in the all over the field. Especially in pharmacology, we find more types of patents. A patent extends the number of colors, shapes, sounds, or over repeated again and again. Uh, we sorry The definition of pattern is something as someone to use a model to copy, design, or expect something. There are many types of patterns. I know most common 10. For example, we already use intellectual property in all the sessions. I know because my college is offering this offer. The most advantages is exclusive rights, sparks innovations, easily commercialized, and the disadvantages is difficulty to acquire and dealing with, and limited times are there. We know that there are many advantages because it is many people have the advantage of patenting it to restrict others to use it. And the disadvantages is we cannot use for example, we get the in our country the turmeric is used, but the America has got patent for that, so we cannot able to use that. If we use the turmeric, we want to pay the money to the America, like that. The patents is playing an important role in that. However, we using the patent, it is also useful for us to become a good. However, it is very useful for all of to get the pattern for that for our own beneficial or others beneficial. The wind, for example, if MS Word has got a patent, the most. Sorry, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Hema. No issues, thank you. So, did I leave anybody who have already registered? Have everybody spoken who have joined? Okay, all right. So, if anybody willing to join, anybody willing to speak from people who are watching the debate, you have time now. So, if you want, you can take part in the competition and talk. Or else we'll hear what the judges are about to say for what happened now, and results will be declared by tonight. So, is anybody willing to talk? Neha? Okay, so Bharti and Rachna, I think you can go ahead.
Rachna, your audio is off.
Oh, my bad. Sorry, hi. Yeah, so it was really interesting and informative to hear everyone speak. So congratulations to everyone that spoke today. So Bharati and I sort of like have some points to put across to the people who spoke today. Bharati?
Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, you can go first.
Okay, so I think everybody did well and did justice to their topics. Harini, how do you want this to go? Like, do you want feedback on each participant or just a general overview?
I think
I think your voice is breaking up, but I'm not sure if it's just my connection.
I thought, yeah, I can't hear her either.
So, okay, so I'm just going to give a general overview. So the things that I judged on are whether the topic was interpreted in a good way, in the right way, or at least as close as possible. For example, I know the nature therapy topic was a little complicated, so he did two different versions of it, and both were good. So all the other participants were able to handle the topic well. And the other things that I judged on is whether the points were sorry, hold on. So all the other criteria that I used is to see if the points were related to the topic and if the points were coherent, and also to see if you were able to tie together an argument and put forth. I know it can be a little disorienting to speak for the topic for a minute and then immediately reverse back and speak against the topic. So all of you did a good job, and these are the criteria that I used to judge you, and I have a score for each participant. So I'll discuss with Harini and Ranchana and decide the winners in a bit and let you guys know by tonight.
Can you hear me now, Bharti? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm very sorry. I think I lost my connection in between. I was talking here, but then. So I was about to say, like, if you could give individual inputs to all the 8 participants, it will be beneficial for them in future. But then, if you are done with it, no issues.
I don't mind. I can do that.
All right. Yeah.
So for the first topic, traditional and modern sciences, I feel, this is just my opinion, but I feel it could have been handled in such a way that it was traditional versus modern sciences, where for the first 90 seconds, the participant could have talked about the pros of traditional sciences, and then in the second half, they could have spoken against traditional sciences. So it's just something, it was an angle that I thought could have been taken. And but otherwise it was good. The argument was good. And for Sudhanshu, biofuels, all his points were he was on point for some of them, where he said there is a lot of pollution and we need to look at alternative sources. So, and his argument was compelling too. So yeah, that was a good one. And Priyanka, sustainable lifestyle. Yeah, so it's one of my favorite topics. So I think she did justice to the topic. It was good. The next one, organic farming, all the points put across were very valid, that it's becoming more popular now, and that it's not as detrimental to nature as using synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, and also that it's in terms of the against, she mentioned some valid points that the yield is low, it's labor intensive, it's expensive, and people are hesitant to buy it. So because of the cost. So they were some valid points. And for nature therapy, like I said, he tackled it in a good way. Like he spoke about the 2 different versions and also gave the against points for both of them. And for Abhishek, industrial revolution and human survival, I feel the points were great. He could have expanded on each of them because he had more time, but otherwise the points were very accurate. And for the new normal and medications, I am not very familiar with ophthalmology, so that was a little out of my scope. But from what she did, judging purely based on whether she was able to block and tackle for the topic, I think that went well. And scientific patterns, yeah, I think she covered the topic pretty well, both for and against of it. But I feel against could have been, I feel for could have been as strong as her against. In against, she mentioned that if somebody patents a topic, it's lost to the other people. So I think that was a strong point. Yeah, that's all I have.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Bharti. So, Rachna?
Yeah, everyone was really good. Like for some of the topics, I do have some points. Like the one thing that just struck was the scientific patents. So I'm not going to call you out or anything, but like I think the facts should have been a little more researched. Because I'm not very aware of the, the turmeric patent for the, the USA, and we can't use it anymore. I'm not very sure if it's true. But other than that, again, organic farming was done like an excellent job. That was really good. Biofuels, again, really good. Like Bharati said, like those are the exact points that I wanted to convey as well. Yeah, nature therapy. Yeah, basically what Bharati said, and we're not judging just based only on your communication skills. It was also like the topic, how compelling the argument was, how you could block and tackle the topic. Again, for new normal and medications, I'm also not very familiar with ophthalmology, so that's out of my scope, but it seems very compelling as well. Yeah, that's about it from my side, Harini.
Thank you so much, Rachna. So thank you so much, everybody who have joined. So we'll get back with the results by 9 p.m. Is that fine with both of you, Bharati and Rachna?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. So let me know your comfortable time, because the time schedule varies here and there. So I don't want to disturb you guys.
I can send you the results right away after this call.
Okay, fine. Okay, the results will be posted in the WhatsApp group where the participants are there. So thank you so much for everybody who have joined and stayed back till the end. You can join tomorrow as well at 6 p.m. to watch the finals. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bharati and Rachna. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good job, everyone.
So,
see you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.